Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's see what is in the bag. Well, we got pre-stamped cross stitches. Alright. Okay. This comes from VIPCrossStitch. Give me a second and I will be right back. I am back. This is from VIPCrossStitch, as I said, and it will be in two parts. And the first part, we have this pre-stamped cross stitch, and it was called Lakeside Autumn. Yeah, Lakeside Autumn. It is a 60 by 40. If I can get it open, we'll have it made. Ah, here we go. There we go. Isn't that a beautiful picture? Just beautiful. With all the lovely trees. Just gorgeous. We'll see. Comes with a full page sheet of instructions. Let's turn it around the right way. So that means it's not on the paper. And it has a paper pattern. This has 32 colors. And I don't know how much detail is going to be in here. I can't tell looking at this, but this would have to be blown up if you were going to use it. It's on the shiny paper on the back. It does show all the colors, DMC numbers, the symbols, and the numbers on the thread card. It does have a product number up here and how big it is. So yeah, let's take a look at those beautiful fall colors and all that blue sky. Hang on. Give it a shake. Shake, shake. There's your colors. Those beautiful. All the different shades of blue and oranges and golds and browns. A little bit of blue-green. There's just a little bit of regular green in that. Most of it is autumn colors. Look at those sky colors. Look at that blue. Gorgeous. Beautiful thread. Let me roll that up. Let's put our picture up here so nothing happens to it. And let's look at the canvas. Alright. Oops, sorry, my bad. My bad. So here's the canvas. It's very well printed. I just don't know how much, what do you call it? How detailed it will be. Has a nice big key over here. It is not serged all the way around. It has two needles. Nope, yeah, two needles. I thought that was three for a minute. And it doesn't look like it's too terribly confettied. It does have the product number down here and at the top. So that's nice. And of course I don't have my... I'm going to get my tape measure. Be right back. I got my tape measure. That was a hot moment. We had to use it yesterday when we put in the water heater. And yes, I got my water heater now. So it's 60 in that direction. And 40 in that one. Actual size is... If I could just hold it still. 34, which is about 13.5 by almost 21.25, which is 54 centimeters. So yeah, just lovely. So I thought that was pretty. And it was, hang on, 11/16. 11/16. Let's take a look at the next one. You'll know right off why I have it. So, yeah, I've never seen this picture before. Let's lay that up there. Lots of threads. And here is the picture. It is a 60 by 45 of the Great Wall. It looks like either sunrise or sunset. I'm not real sure. But isn't that pretty? Great big huge paper. It does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. Let's open this up. It's huge. Ginormous. Very easy to read. Has 41 colors. Does have the colors, DMC symbol, and the number on the thread card. Even has a little bitty picture right there. Not that y'all can see that from here. But yeah, very nice and easy to read. It is going to be a little confetti because of that wall section, and then you've got some big areas for your background, of course. But yeah, just beautiful. Just beautiful. Sorry. Let's take a look at all those colors. We do have a little kit. Comes with 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and a needle threader. Molly. I'm telling you, there's not been anybody over there. Get down. But it does have the plum or cherry blossom on it this time. Let's take a look at the colors. I see some beautiful pinks for that background. Get everybody out. So it has 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 skeins of 3806. I can't read. So that's the only excess thread you have, so that must go in the background. Let me give this a shake a bit. So you got some mochas, some teal green, looks like 3865. But look at these colors. You got purple and you got 310 black. Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. That sky just makes that picture. I'm telling you. Isn't that beautiful? Just beautiful, beautiful colors. And there's no numbers on this. Sometimes there are. Sometimes there's not. This is a knot time. I'm going to roll those back up in there so nobody gets lost. Put that right up there. Alright, it is serged all the way around on the canvas. Oops, almost opened it up backwards. So you do have those big background areas. I didn't look. I think all those colors were the same. I might have been wrong. I didn't pay that much attention. Just beautiful. But this is pretty much confetti heavy right through here. It does have the numbers, and the stitching is not on the numbers, so they're fairly easy to read. There, I'll lay it like that. And that way you can see them. It's very nicely printed. Very easy to read symbols, but there is a lot of confetti. I'm telling you, the more I get of these, it's like the more there are out there that are just confetti heavy. And I think this one is about, where did it go? The same size as the other one. And the canvas is kind of lightweight. I like that. It's easy to work with. It's 60 this way. And, whoops, if I can get it where it's supposed to be. 43.5 that away. Actual is about 21 inches, which is 53.5 centimeters. So 21 by, about 15. But yeah, there's a lot going on in the bottom of this. The top looks like a piece of cake. I mean, it's nice and big rivers of color. So, yeah. Just lovely. 41 colors. That is going to be gorgeous. I just love the sky on that. It's just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And that's where all those purples are going to go. And pinks. Whoops, I lost the thread thing. So yeah, now this one was 60 by 45 and it was $13.55. But I'm glad it's got a nice, look how big that key is. I mean the paper pattern, it's huge. It's about a size 11 gauge. It's all about the same. Yep, and that's nice and easy to read, and you can see all the lines. It is gridded all the way across and down the side. So yeah, just absolutely beautiful. All right, and then we'll have the other two next Monday in my part 2. Now VIP Cross Stitch, usually they have a sale going on, like buy 4 get 1 free shipping over $69. They do have a separate Joy Sunday section, and they have beaded embroidery and embroidery. They have custom and cross stitch. I don't know if they have any. They only have cross stitch and embroidery. So they do not have diamond painting. They have tools and crafts for both of those. And every once in a while they do have a clearance section. And seeming that Christmas is coming, they might have a Christmas section. So if there's any change to the stuff I just told you, I will put it in the description box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Thank you, VIP. Thank you, everybody, for watching this video. Have a good day. God bless. Bye-bye.